Oh, Hakra.
I
will defense. Daddy, and then final day. And then I expected from you and the court after the results.
Well, expect from the court, not me.
Okay.
Because to move for the court,
Sir.
The court will be waiting. The pioneer was a no quarry, pay you. Send it Fatana, Kunindia, rather than the United States. Since I knew you ready for you, ready to be a Papa Baba. It's going to be over the Badana.
Let's know. Let's know.
Media, no lawyer, and then of course,
as you know, and then the last day, and then the day for judgment, and hereby court in court as much as we disagree, that is the judgment of the court, and to advise our clients accordingly.
But Kunadiana it's also part of the release and now person or clients.
No, it wasn't before the court.
Okay.
It wasn't before the court. But court never some but essentially what she said is only now because you ask Serwaa approach our no need to and of the cancer that's the decision of the court. The rest is up to the family to decide on the way to go. They will be asking for the effort to make, especially my wife. Because she has supported me, we have come this far. Judge didn't start here with the judge of council, no credit about and the Quran did him into the credit.
Okay, that's
No now go anymore.
And subsequently, you perform wedding or you marry under the ordinance. The customary law or the customary marriage is no more in existence. You call it transformation. It's transformed into the civil or ordinance law. But when you come to court, you have the responsibility to prove that your marriage was contracted under the ordinance and for which reason you are the sole or lawful wife. But when you come to court and you fail to prove that, then it means the customary law survives. And under customary law, a man can marry as many as he wants.
What do you make of the fact that the Germans
I mean, our client, of course, he has been devastated since the loss of a husband, having two underage, in fact 6 underage children to to bring up alone. It's devastating, but it would have been much worse, distressful, if the court had ruled otherwise, that she cannot even be recognized as the surviving spouse. So on that score, she is delighted. But at all time, she has never, although Bronii has never held the position that Akosua Serwaa was not Daddy Lumba's wife. She never held that position. That's why in court even he is saying that she is a surviving spouse, but not the only surviving spouse. So she's not against Akosua Serwaa also being recognized as a surviving spouse of Daddy Lumba.
Okay, so in case somebody also come up claiming that she's also a wife, bringing evidence just as your client did, will you be happy with that?
That's why we are saying that under customary law, once you can prove, mind you, marriage under customary law principally is between the two families. So if you can bring, by the point, there's a legal position, why leads? If you want the court to help you, the law is you must not sleep on your rights. You, as soon as you hear that the case is being conducted and the outcome of the case will affect you, you must immediately come to court. Yes. But if you wait and the court, now the court is closed, you come to raise, you have a lot of impediments.
So this issue of bigamy doesn't come in, right?
Bigamy come in, not in this case. Bigamy does not come in this case, not at all. The court did not try bigamy. And there was no proof, there was no evidence of the existence of bigamy as between Daddy Lumba and Odobu.
So, how prepared is your client for the burial and the funeral rites?
Our client has always been reversing the demise of the husband. She had lived with her husband for 17 good years. She had taken care of him during the entire sickness. Of course, we have been praying, and it's on record that even the night before that Lumba passed on, she has been holding prayer conferences for the good health and the recovery of that Lumba. So at any point in time, once custom demands that she performs any rites in honor of a deceased husband,
she also raised the case that there was a dissolution of marriage between the plaintiff and the deceased.
Abusafo yenhwe sabre emse Daddy Lumba ne court case no aba awiye ne judgment no aba na medane kasamu no ama Akosua testing na watu aso
Abusua sabre dia eje nya bebi court case ni say dey bu asem na wie na dia besi ya ne se lana pe isi funi salifu omunya yefu dede ni kwakwa ba omunya eklobafo eti apai yes what be anko ekuna no mo hwe ne ensie the legend that Lumba na asumdie eti abusa ko so net na enche ye be hwe ne lawyer kusi akọ nkoma ba ko bi eni bi ya hu se ne ensam no e be sia ye de mu nyina echiti baba ne kasa It makes the case fair because it's a win-win situation for all. It's a win-win situation. Both women are wives, which is very paramount. This is the peace that Lumba so much desired. We are hopeful that December marriage.
for the
No, the cost
We are hearing that we are going to do it in London.
we haven't heard it. We are speaking from the Japanese voice. It's a 13th December. Until he communicates any other information, it's still 13th December.
So now your client is happy with the decision.
All clients want to be happy. Like I said earlier, it is a win-win situation for both women.
Thank you. What's the name?
I am Fatih. We are a team.
Yes, Council. So from the very beginning, we actually were speaking with you. You said that all you wanted was for Daddy Lumba's burial. I mean, today is the final verdict. What can you say about the judgment by the court?
Well, if you had the opportunity to sit in court, you come to the absolute conclusion that this judgment is fair. It recognizes both women as wives of Daddy Lumba, and it affords both women the opportunity to be present at the funeral and perform the necessary kuna. So it's a peaceful situation as far as we are concerned. We couldn't have wished for a better outcome. What has come out is very fair to all both parties, and it's our prayer that at least all the parties, including Akosua, Serwaa, and Madam Priscilla, will accept this and give Daddy Lumba, the legend, the peaceful burial that he deserves.
Do you think that this judgment would actually give peace to the family with regards to the issues arising regarding the burial of Daddy Lumba?
What is important is that why do we want to continue to hold on to grudge when both parties have been afforded the chance at peace? It's not saying one woman is superior to the other. What the judgment is saying is that both women are recognized as wives. What the family wants has been reaffirmed by the court, and it is something that must be respected. It's a chance at peace, and whoever loves peace, whoever loves Daddy Lumba, whoever loves his music, whoever loves the fact that this man is a legend and deserves a peaceful after death event should accept his judgment. I'm lawyer Dominic Jose, and once again to my left is lawyer Fatih, lawyer Kudi, and we are from Abajama.
Lawyer, what a rumor, yes, you came from Casa. Lawyer, what a rumor. Lawyer, what a rumor, you came from Casa. What a rumor. Sima Bako, you came from Casa. Aja, you came from Casa. Nyamata. You came from Casa, Nyamata.
Aja Fatih.